I am MIRU Residences Hakuba. I sit quietly at the edge of the slopes, where the forests open and the mountains breathe. Here, the morning arrives slowly. Light touches the snow. The lifts begin their quiet rhythm, and somewhere outside, skis carve the first lines of the day. Inside, I am calm and considered. From my windows, the valley stretches wide, white in winter, green and endless in summer. Residences designed for mountain life, from compact studios to generous 2- and 3-bedroom homes, fully furnished, fully appointed. This is ski in, ski out living in Hakuba's Happo-one base area, one of the most sought after addresses in the valley. And yet, life here is never rushed. When the snow melts, the valley opens again. Cycling roads, hiking trails, long alpine evenings that stretch deep into summer. This is not a place built for one season. It unfolds across them all. Thoughtfully designed, beautifully managed. A place to arrive and to return to. I am MIRU Residences Hakuba, and I am yours.